Hi everyone, so I'm currently here right now at the Filipino FomoFest. It's a food festival here in Sydney, Australia. It is currently being held at Paddy's Flemington Market. There's another Paddy's Market here in Sydney, which is at the Haymarket. So as not to confuse, this one is at the Paddy's Markets here in Flemington. Now my voice is really not great right now. I just came from a night out. I think I overused my voice. We did some karaoke at the Covent Garden and we did some clubbing as well. My voice is not really great. I am currently right now at building D of the Paddy's Markets, and you can see there's a lot of food stalls selling Mexican, Filipino barbecue, and I guess there's a lot, and desserts as well. So there's Sonia. She's trying to find where I am, but she doesn't know that I'm actually at her back. So she still doesn't know that I'm at her back. Sonia! Sorry. I was just filming you.
Hi!
Yeah.
So finally I made it.
Yeah, you made it to the vlog. I don't know. Are you okay with that? So I'm now accompanied by Sonia right now here at the Paddy's Market for the Filipino Fomo Festival.
Yes, it is my first time to be here.
Okay, but is it your first for Filipino food as well?
No, I've been eating a lot of Filipino food, so I'm familiar with the cuisine.
Okay, so right now we're actually waiting for the food demonstration. So I'm just gonna show you that. And I think at the moment we're the only audience.
Yes, we are.
Hello.
So it's probably gonna start now.
Hello, everybody.
Independence celebration, I think it's appropriate for us to cook a national dish, which is adobo, but this is adobong pusit.
Fresh produce that you can get from the markets, and they now just grilling the pusit.
Oh, it's sweet.
So let's do the testing.
Thank you.
I don't know.
I should get this.
Oh, I'll get this octopus then.
This is squid. Okay.
Yeah, so that's squid. So we're here to test if we're allergic to the squid or not. Hopefully not.
Oh no, if it's squid then it's fine.
Yeah.
If it's octopus.
Oh, squid is fine.
Yeah.
But I think they did mix everything together, so
Okay, I'll look at this.
yeah. And then I'm accompanied by Ivy as well. So we're waiting for the other set of friends. So we just finished the cooking demonstration and we're gonna do a taste test of this is the octopus adobo.
Wow, it's sold out in less than 5 minutes.
Good. You're a leprechaun. Filipino leprechaun. Oh, thank you very much. So we have the udangina sauce. Udangina. Marinade?
So it means
Marinade, so
I'll try that one first. You try that one.
I'll try this one first.
Yeah.
Alright then. You're gonna try the hot sauce as well. Oh, it's not even recorded. Again, hot sauce. Everything's so scripted.
Yeah. This will suffer the blow.
this is very hot.
It is actually hot, but it's like Tabascos and stuff.
Yeah, Tabasco.
Yeah.
You can marinate about 2 kilos of meat. And then you can barbecue it the next day.
It's okay. like Tabasco.
Yeah.
Yeah, but of course a little bit of flavor. Yeah.
It's more fruity, I reckon.
Oh, another one. A putangina marinade as well. It is actually putangina.
Well, if you sign up, I can get free bag.
Okay. So that's probably yours. Beef. After a long queue, we probably queued for an hour. Yeah, to get the sisig, the beef, whatever that is, barbecue. Yeah, so I'm gonna ask them how they taste the.
I got barbecue with taco.
Okay. Oh, so it's a fusion of Filipino and Mexican.
And Mexican, yes.
Yeah. So with a Mexican twist in it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. You have the pork sisig.
Yeah,
Yeah. So any comments?
it's delicious.
Delicious.
I like it. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's too small though.
Small, but yeah, good.
Small but not terrible.
No, it's good. It's
Alright
good.
then.
Yeah, honestly, it's good.
Alright. I'll go back to Sonia. Oh, you haven't tried it yet?
Not yet. I was just tasting the lettuce.
And then Ivy over there, standing in the sun.
I didn't have Filipino food. I had Turkish gozleme
Oh, yeah,
because the queue was so long.
Yeah, you're
I was
against the
so
line.
hungry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's very good. It's tasty.
All right.
Because it's got a bit of lemon on it.
Mhm.
So yeah, it's tasty and it's good. I like it.
Okay, great. Yeah. I'm having the sisig as well, which I usually order anyway. So this is pork sisig and tacos. So it's a mix of Filipino and Mexican food.
Thank you very much. Good night.